My name is Steve Schlumbohm. I farm in Logan County. I've been doing that all my life. I have an Incite tool here from McFarlane that I've had for 3 years. It's a 24-footer. We bought that for different reasons, various reasons to fit into our operation. We are mostly no-till, but this machine has a lot of benefits for us in that we can use it for fall tillage, vertical tillage. As you see, the blades are straight. We can go vertical tillage. They angle hydraulically, which we like very much. That's one of the features we liked when we bought the machine. The blades will angle forward from the cab as you're on the fly, and we can till more aggressively with those blades being at a front angle. I think it's anywhere from 3 degrees to 9 degrees, and that is a feature we really like. Other things I like about it, that I can work with the machine going deep or shallow. It is a good residue mixer. We cover crop a lot of our land. We use cover crops extensively. This machine can incorporate cover crops. We like that a lot. I like the weight of the machine. It is well built, heavy. If I need to go deep, I can go deep, and I can also travel at 8 miles an hour. That's another thing, that we can gain a lot of acreage, be efficient with our machine and our time because of the speed. And when you go faster, some machines will start to bounce. This machine does not. It is heavy and stays where I put it. We do not usually run it full depth because we don't want to till deep. It will if we need it to. The harrows in the back and the rolling basket give a nice finish after the front blades till it up, so we like that part too, where it becomes a very nice finish tool.